Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager here, and today I've got an application spotlight to go over with you about this system right behind me. Now, in today's world, plastics processors, recyclers, and manufacturers of plastic parts are constantly pressured by material costs. And there's more and more push for recycling, circular economy, and using up of recycled materials. The other challenge that comes to the industry is going to be sourcing those materials at a cost-effective price point. Buying in bulk is typically done so that they can bring that price point down. However, having the latitude to spot buy and purchase materials which may come in Gaylords or bulk bags in addition to, say, bulk trucks is becoming more and more of a viable need for a lot of processors. Now, in those instances, we can supply systems for customers to unload bags as well as unload Gaylords. They could be two different separate pieces of machinery. However, that's going to take up a considerable amount of floor space, higher capital costs really when you think about all of the different components that come into it. And one of the types of containers that you may get may not be as frequent or as high as the other. So now you've got down pieces of machinery in your industry and you're not receiving that ROI that you should be with them being operational. So in this system behind me, we worked with an end user who was purchasing recycled material, purchasing a Regrind product, and they needed the means to be able to introduce that into their silo and their material handling system, but they wanted the latitude to be able to purchase either in bags or Gaylords should they have an opportunity to be able to source that material at a more price conscious point. So when we worked with them, we developed a solution where we could unload those containers into a single point and then pressure convey that up into their silo. So what we have here behind me that I'm going to highlight is our modular bulk bag unloader. It is a Regrind material, so you're going to see we've got our dual massagers on here to assist the material to flow out of the bag and into our collection hopper. We've got our untie chamber box and the iris valve option to ensure operators can untie the bag safely. We've got options videos on both those bag unloading options and encourage you to take a look at those. Operator platform here so they can get to a nice comfortable spot and be able to untie that bag. And then we've got our container dumper. The container dumper, as you see, discharges into the exact same receiving hopper. It has our auto manual package here, so we can be in manual mode or auto and basically do a dump and run, as we call it. So material will jettison into the hopper here. We've got a level switch here to pause our dumpers to help mitigate any overflowing of product. But even if it did back up some, we've got some nice side guards here that prevent material spillage, again making a nice clean environment for the end user's facility. And lastly, we've got our rotary airlock here. So we will have a pressure pump that pressure conveys this material up into the silo. Many of the options for the container dumper, as well as I mentioned, the bag unloader, are available on our website. If you'd like to get more details into those, we do have nice brief videos that cover them more specifically. Hopefully this video brought you some value. If you're interested in understanding what a system like this may be able to bring you value-wise and the cost for it, please reach out to our sales engineers. We'd love to chat about your material and application. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one.